Hi, this video is going to be about locating vital record information in the state of Massachusetts. To get started, visit massachusettspublicrecords.com. There should be a link in the description. You can click on that or just type this into your browser. On the home page, you will notice there is a large list of public databases available in the state of Massachusetts. We're going to focus on vital record information, but there could be some databases that are still useful to you. As an example, if you're doing like a genealogy check, right there you'll find a resource here to help you research your family's history. So if you but we're not going to focus on genealogy. We're gonna hit up all points here about vital records. So we have created specific pages for the most sought after records. So if you hover over more records, you're going to notice anything from background checks to property records. And so there's an option here for vital records. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And what you'll notice here is you'll have your state resource and then you have your county resources. Now, one thing you have to understand is a lot of these are departments that give you official certificates. Now, the public can't have access to this. If you want, say, like a birth certificate, you'd have to be the person it belongs to, maybe the parent, the guardian, a legal representative. So if that's what you're looking for, an official certificate, and you can legally order it, you could use these resources here. Now, for everybody else that's looking for vital record information, let's say you wanted to find out when somebody died, or maybe if somebody has a divorce. Let's say you're dating somebody, or maybe somebody you know is dating somebody. Whatever the situation may be, there are many reasons to check for these types of things. And so vital records are just life events like birth, death, marriage, divorce, things like that. So just vital events in a person's life, significant events. And so what in order to, let's say, to find out about a divorce, is you have to understand that a lot of these things go through the court system. So let's say somebody is getting a divorce. They have to see a judge. They see a judge, it creates a court document. Depending on the situation, that court document is considered public record. So you can go and research that information. So if I hover over more records, there's an option here for court records. And as you can see, there are multiple things. Like, for instance, you have probate and family. You have options to research this at a terminal at the court, or there's a web link here too. So you have quite a few things you could do to research this information, just even using court records. Now, one more thing to consider is the name search on top. What this does is it doesn't just look at records in the state of Massachusetts, it goes to other states too. So it pulls records from multiple states, multiple databases, plus it has private databases. So when I say private, I mean things like cell phone information, email information, previous addresses, things like that. A lot of these things can be useful. Like, for instance, previous addresses, you could go look up state records within that state to figure something out and connect the dots that way. Another thing is it pulls public record databases from multiple states. So let's say maybe you didn't find a divorce record in the state of Massachusetts, but maybe that person got a divorce maybe in Georgia. And so you're not necessarily going to see that information just by utilizing the local county or state resources. And so using a private database like this gives you an opportunity to get that big picture view, cover more bases, and see if there are any records somewhere outside of Massachusetts. So with that said, come visit massachusettspublicrecords.com and get started on your Massachusetts vital record information search. Thank you.